Hi, my name is Tobi from metaFox, and I was wondering, do you know the feeling when people don't really open up in your workshop, they hold back and don't contribute with their ideas or share how they are actually doing and what they're actually thinking? If yes, then this Miro template might be your solution. It's freely available and you can integrate it in your workshop that you might be running on Miro anyways. It uses the power of pictures to help people to share, become more aware how they are doing, and maybe find a new perspective on their current situation. How are we doing this? Well, in the beginning of a workshop, you welcome people with this simple overview sheet and you ask them which picture describes you today. Give people a minute to arrive, scroll over these deep pictures, that's how we call them at metaFox, and ask which one would they pick. If you want and your users are already proficient on Miro, and also depending on how many participants you have, you can invite them to actually create a name tag for themselves, and by doing so mark which is their picture. Then you take turns and everybody shares and presents what is my picture, how does this frog, the green, the focus that this picture has maybe represents how I am here today and what should other people know about me before we start into the workshop. That's already pretty much how you can use this simple tool. If you want, you can even go much more deeply into a coaching conversation using the power of picture. You can also find more sets, more picture selections like that have been carefully curated for exactly that purpose on metafox.eu. That's where you can get the entire set. You can choose a language, and also if you want to go for the digital or the print or even both of these. And yeah, there's a bunch of different extras also included. And if you want to learn more about how to run these kind of warm-ups, how to facilitate workshops, then you can join one of our training sessions with the metaFox experiences. See you on another video, maybe. Thanks for listening and watching. Cheers.